Okay guys, so what I'm doing or what I'm using is Kiko Milano, and this is a company that I haven't really heard of until I actually came to Germany. And this is the Kiko Milano Cult Eyeshadow Palette, and these colors are so pretty. Like, look at these. These are all matte shades in this palette. There is one whole matte palette, and then there's one whole shimmery, like shiny palette. So for this palette right here, I'm going to go ahead and try out I'm trying to think of like an eyeshadow look for us to do. But there is just so many options and so many different things that you could do. This is my first time using it, so I don't know how pigmented it is. I don't know anything about it. This is the eyeshadow blending brush, and it is pretty nice. I do like the actual base here. Like, the stick is really nice and comfortable. It fits in my hand really well. It's like big enough to fit in my hand, and I think this is really small enough to actually get in the crease and do a really nice blending job. So we're gonna see how this works out. But what we're gonna do is just go ahead and pick an eyeshadow look. I'm just gonna come up with something off the top of my head and try it out, and hopefully let's see exactly how it works. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and prime my lids, and what I'm using is the MAC Conceal and Correct palette, and I'm using the shade NW45, which is this one right here. As you can see, it's like completely done, but this is what I always use, and then set it with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So that is done, and the reason why I used a setting powder and a concealer before I start, this is basically a primer, and basically with the primer what it does is it kind of mutes the background so that whenever you put on more color, it pops and it looks way better, and it stops your eyeshadow from transferring to your lid. So starting off, I don't even know what I want to do. So starting off, what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm going to put this in my crease. Wow, look how that applies. That applies it really well. I think I probably put on a little bit too much, actually. Alright, so just to deepen that up a little bit in the crease, what I'm going to use is this shade right here. This is like a brown shade. I'm going to put that directly in the crease. I'm just going to take a little bit of this, press off the excess, and put that directly in the crease right here. Just so that I can kind of darken that up a little bit. Now what I'm going to do, I decided to do a kind of cut crease. Well, yeah, pretty much like a cut crease. And what I'm going to do is, like, half of my lid is going to be a light color, and then fade it to a dark, like a dark brown black on that side. So it's going to be light and then dark brown and then black. So I decided to go in with my, this is the MAC Pro Conceal Correct palette. And I'm going to use this shade right here, which is the NC45, this bottom shade. It's a little bit lighter, and the color would definitely pop more. I'm going to use that. I'm going to cut the crease, and then we're going to put another color on top of that. So I'm just going to dig on in. Alright, so this eyeshadow is kind of messed up, but I'm going to make it work, and this one is pretty nice. It doesn't look too bad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here, wait, where is it? This color right here, and I'm going to apply this directly on top of that. that looks pretty cute, right? So next what I'm going to do is go in with this shade here. This is the dark brown shade, and I'm going to put that here right next to the pink, and then I'm going to blend that out just to create a little more depth, and this is going to be for the outer V as well. So what I'm going to use is a liquid liner, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lids. So now that is done. It took forever because I'm really not good with the wing liner, but I think it's okay. I think it's alright. Probably needs to be a little bit thicker, but I think it works out pretty well. So what I'm going to use is the Stardust lashes from Fashion Nova, and I'm going to go ahead and throw these lashes on. I'm going to do that off camera because lashes are a trip. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I put my eyelashes on, and I'm going to go ahead and do my whole face, and then I'll be right back to show you the final look. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and as you can see, it looks bomb.com. I don't know, do you guys like my hair? Like, it's pretty nice, right? So this is the final look, and what I use also is the Kiko Milano's foundation and concealer and highlight. If you want to see that video, I will go ahead and create the video for you guys and post it up there. And actually, I'll leave a link up here for you guys so you can see that. But this is the final look, guys. Please let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, hit the button and subscribe because you need to subscribe. Also, if you like my video, don't forget to go ahead and thumbs it up. Go ahead and comment and share my content, guys. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!